Oh wow, this question is going to be difficult to answer because it's a bit philosophical. How are the terms man and woman and boy and girl defined?
Well, that's a great question. So I did an undergrad and a master's in gender studies, and like, I don't know if I could even tell you that, right? Like, because part of it is it's you cannot get away from social constructionism and language, right? So we define these terms based on many different things, but they are always defined by the current context in which we live, like culture, time, all of these pieces, right? I think, and in that, we also define it by things like hormones and things like anatomy, right? It's like, how do we decide, when we assign somebody male or female at birth, what is that based on? That's based on anatomy, right? But there's actually so many things that we're not kind of looking at, right, that we also have to take into account. So I mean, I honestly can't answer those questions. It's when we talk about gender identity, right, people will say like, well, how do you know you're trans? Kind of like almost like, how do you know you're gay? It's like, well, how do you know you're straight, right? It's just kind of like, it's oftentimes like an internal feeling, but we define these things in terms of like biological factors, social factors, psychological factors, and they change from like different eras, different centuries. They mean different things at different times. I don't know. That's a hard one.